Finally, it's day 5. Day 5, I did not just work only on coloring and typography, but I changed some design layout entirely. I redesigned the hero section and changing the product from drink to meal. I did same for the single products page and also created a floating icon action button for the drink. When clicked, it displays all the available drinks that are on the menu for that day. I designed the landing page too actually, while this is the first one and this is the second one. Let me know which one looked best for you in the comments. Personally, I will go for the second one. Thank you for riding this journey with me from day 1, day 2, day 3 till day 5. I appreciate you guys' love. Don't forget to like this also and hit the follow button. Day 6 is our final presentation day. Thank you.